At this point in my video, I got some wind noise to cover up, so we'll do that with a voiceover. This is the final train that I caught March 28th, 2012. You're about to see a pretty cool horn show put on by Train 140 as it northbound through Jackson, Georgia. He wasn't honking for me, he was honking for a bush cutter and a high railer that was in the siding as he went by. They sure heard him as he went by, that's for sure.
Well, that was Train 140. He gave his horn a good workout for that bush cutting machine over there. I think they're going to come out in a minute, but I got to go on down the road.